Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Asana for project management, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Asana, create an account by visiting the Asana website. Click on Get Started for free and fill in your details. Once your account is created, you'll land on your workspace. Begin by setting up a new project by clicking on the plus New Project button. You can choose to start from a blank project or use one of the templates provided. If you select a template, review the options and choose one that fits your needs. Name your project and set a description to provide context for collaborators. Next, decide on the project layout. You can choose between list or board view depending on your preference. In list view, tasks are organized vertically, and in board view, tasks are arranged in columns. Add tasks by clicking the Add Task button. Enter a name for each task and provide details in the description. You can assign tasks to team members by clicking on the Assignee field. Set due dates by clicking on the Date field to keep the project on schedule. Use tags or custom fields to categorize tasks for easier tracking. If necessary, divide complex tasks into subtasks for better management. To increase collaboration, utilize the comments section on each task for team discussions. Once tasks are set up, start tracking progress with the project timeline view. Access this by clicking on the Timeline tab at the top of the project page. Adjust timelines by dragging the taskbars to reflect necessary changes. Keep an eye on task completion by monitoring the progress bar. For better organization, consider setting up recurring tasks for ongoing assignments. Use the workload view to get insights on team capacity and task distribution. Invite additional team members to your project by entering their email addresses. Review your project regularly to update tasks and ensure progress is being made. Finally, celebrate milestones achieved and reset goals for future projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.